The area between two functions, example 2. We want to find the area trapped between this curve and the x-axis. Now we can see this part here is above the axis and this little part here is below the axis. So we're going to have to do those separately, because if we just integrate from -1 right the way through to 4, we'll find this bit gets subtracted off. So we can do the integral from -1 up to just here, which is 3 of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 12. Now let's think about that. It's going to be x to the 4 over 4. Take away 6x cubed over 3, which is 2x cubed, plus 5x squared over 2 plus 12x, to be evaluated from -1 to 3. So 3 to the power 4 is 81, so that's 81 over 4. Take away 3 cubed is 27, double that, it's 54. And then we've got 5 times 9, which is 45 over 2, and then 36. And if we substitute -1 in, that's going to give us a quarter. So that will be -1, -2, so +2. -1 squared is just 1, so plus 5 over 2, and take away 12. So we'll see what that comes to. So we need to do this on the calculator probably. And so what do we get? So we have got 81 over 4. Take away 54. Add 45 over 2. Add 36. And then we're taking away, and we have a quarter. Add 2. Add 5 over 2. Take away 12. And that gives us 32. So we've got 32 square units for the big area here. And then the small area, we're going to then be integrating from 3 to 4. And it's the same function, obviously, so I'll just do that. And obviously we get the same thing here, but our top limit is 4. So we've got 4 to the power 4, which is 256 over 4. Take away 4 cubed is 64, so take away 1, 2, 8. And then we've got 5 times 16, 80 over 2, which is 40. And then 12 fours, add 48. Take away the 81 over 4, take away 54, add 45 over 2, add 36. And let's see what that comes to. Now, if I bring the calculator back in, we've already got quite a bit of that on the calculator. So let's just delete all of that lot. And we need to go right the way through to the front and put in this bracket. So we've got 256 over 4. Take away 1, 2, 8. Add 40. Add 48. And take away that second bracket. and that gives us -3/4. Now, clearly the negative from all we've discussed just simply denotes the fact that this area is below the axis. So our total area is going to be 32 add 3/4. Yeah, the area itself must be positive. So we've got 32 3/4 square units. I'd probably prefer to give that as an improper fraction, but for now I'm just going to leave it there.